Welcome, adventurers, to the Request Board Guide. Get ready to maximize your daily rewards and don't miss out on the loot.
If you're playing SealM on Cross but you're not using the request board properly, you might be missing out on easy daily rewards. A lot of players either ignore this system or use it inefficiently, which means they're losing valuable resources every day. So in this video, I'll quickly show you how the request board works, how the request point system works, and a few tips to help you get better quests and better reward. So let's get into it. So first of all, what is the request board? The request board is where you can accept different requests that reward you for completing certain activities. You can access it in two ways, from the request board located in town or directly through the menu. Once you open it, you'll see a list of available requests that you can choose from. Each request gives rewards once the objectives are completed. So here's a quick tip. Always check the request board daily because it's one of the easiest ways to get extra reward without much effort. Next is the request difficulty. Each request comes with a difficulty rank. The ranks are SS, S, A, B, and C. Generally, the higher the rank, the better the rewards. However, SS rank requests have a time limit, meaning you need to finish them before the timer expires. If you see a good SS or S rank quest, it's usually worth prioritizing since they often give better rewards. So now let's talk about the request point system. Accepting requests uses request points, and the number of points required depends on the difficulty. Here's the breakdown. SS requests cost 3 points, S requests cost 2 points, and A, B, and C requests cost 1 point. Each day you have a limited amount of request points you can use. Once you run out, you'll need to wait for the daily reset before accepting new quests. However, you can also increase your available points using items like Winter Special Coupon and Sapphire. These items allow you to recharge your request points, but keep in mind there is a daily recharge limit. You can charge request points up to 99 times per day, so if you're aiming to complete more requests and farm more rewards, make sure to manage your recharges wisely. Resetting requests. If you are not happy with the quest currently available, you can refresh the request list. Refreshing the board will generate a new set of requests while any quest you've already accepted will stay active. Refreshing can help you find higher rank quests like S or SS if your current list only shows lower tier quests. The next one is auto reset and auto accept. One of the most useful features in the request board is automatic reset and accept. These features allow the game to automatically refresh and accept quests based on your settings. You can configure things like target quest tier, specific quest types, up to 3 conditions. Once these conditions are set, the system will automatically reset the board and accept quests that match your preference. This feature is great if you want to save time and automatically look for better quests. Completing requests. Once you complete the objectives for your accepted quests, you can turn them all in at once using the Complete All option. This makes collecting rewards quick and convenient. Special Exchange Rewards. While completing requests, you may receive Candy Jelly Seal items. These items can be exchanged at the request board exchanger in town for special rewards. So make sure you save these items and exchange them when you have enough. And that's a quick guide to the request board system in SealM on Cross. It's a simple feature, but if you use it regularly, it can give you extra rewards and help your progression over time. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more SealM on Cross guides and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.